Hi everyone, welcome to Dalal Street Finance. Post market report for the date of 12th May in terms of Indian stock market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's have a glance at the US markets. At the time of recording of this video, the US markets are in green. It's around 0.3% in green. Checking the Europe markets, they are also trading in the same range in green. Moving to Asian markets have mostly traded in red, except Japan's Nikkei, which traded at 1% positive. Coming to our Indian broader markets, we can see a mixed trade there, with the Nifty Auto leading the pack, with the Tata Motors Q4 results being strongly positive, followed by Nifty Banks and Nifty Finance supporting the Nifty. Nifty Metals and Nifty Media were the draggers for Nifty. Moving to Nifty today, Nifty opened at 18,273 with a mild gap up. And from there on, right from opening, there was strong selling, which took Nifty down by around 75 points. However, Nifty took support at 18,200. And from there on, there is no look back. It moved around 100 points up and reached a high of 18,342. And however, it managed to close above 18,300 at 18,314.8. There were 21 advances in Nifty, while 29 stocks in Nifty were on red. Moving to the support and resistance based on the OAI, we can see straddle at 18,300, and we could see a good support at 18,200, and we can see significant resistance only at 18,500. So this gives us an idea that 18,500 can act as a strong resistance and 18,200 can act as a strong support for this week. Moving to the Bank Nifty opened at 43,447, and right from opening there was good selling pressure, and Bank Nifty moved around 100 points below, and around 10:30 it crossed the open mark, and from there on it was family trading above the open, and it was family trading in positive. At around 1 o'clock it broke the day's high and inched towards the 43,900 levels. However, it couldn't sustain there, and there was mild selling at the end of the session, and Nifty managed to close near 43,800, 43,793.55. Checking the support and resistance based on the OA, there is strong support formed at 43,500. The nearby considerable resistance is there at only at 44,000. Moving to support and resistance based on the change in OI, we can see a lot of puts being added in the system today than the number of calls. Calls were added at 44,000 and above, and puts were strongly added 43,500 and below strikes. Moving to the Bank Nifty support and resistance based on the premium, we can see a combined premium of around 600 points, and there is straddle in 43,500. Considering that the resistance remains same as yesterday's, 44,120 levels remains as resistance for this week, and we can take support with another 600 point down, which is 42,800. So these two levels can act as support and resistance for this entire week. Checking the FII DII data for the day, we can see FII data of around 1,000 crores on the buy side and DII slightly selling heavily on the around 922 crores. However, the net institution figure is still 100 points positive. Overall, the market sentiment is Nifty and Bank Nifty from flat to positive bias. India VIX fell by 2.78% and moved below 13 levels. FII on the buy side is the strongest positive for the Indian market, and the negative news that can impact Indian market is DII, which is having moved to the sell side for last few days. Ceiling pressure is rising in US, where the Congress is not in agreement with President Biden for raising the debt ceiling. So this stocks has been moved to next week. This pressure still lies in US market. Coming Sunday, the Karnataka election results will be published. So we can see some volatility in the first hour of trading session in coming Monday. Morning, right after opening, we Nifty noticed selling pressure for first 30 minutes. And from there on, there was continuous rise. And in the first 30 minutes, Nifty broke the 18,200. However, 18,200 acted as a support, and from there on, it was full rally of around 100 points, and Nifty closed above 18,312. Just to have a note on, Nifty is still trading under the recent high of 18,355. However, Bank Nifty crossed the recent high of 43,740 levels, and today it closed around 40 points higher, and it was trading around 43,800 for the last 1 hour, and it closed at 43,794. So Bank Nifty looks more bullish than Nifty. Please mark these levels. 42,589 will act as a support, and 44 will act as the resistance. Disclaimer, please do not take any trades based on this, as I am not a SEBI registered advisor. However, please consider subscribing this channel, as it means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.